Alright guys, one step I have on getting the pool ready is I need to fix this gate to put self-closing gates. I've got a fence post that's rotted out down here at the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is try this thing that I got on Amazon called the Post Buddy. I'll put a link to it. Basically, you hammer these stakes in like so, where the concrete and the wood is, and then you can reinforce the post. So I'm going to try that, and then I'm going to put an anti-sag brace on the gate, which is right here. I will put a link to all the tools I use and all of that stuff after I'm done. I'm not going to record me doing all the work here because I need to focus on just getting the job done, and I'll let you guys see the finished product. Maybe have a couple of videos in between. First step is to scrape some dirt away and see where the concrete is and the post meets. So you want to drive these stakes right in about there to make them then attach to the wood. So that's what we're going to try. Alright, so here's where I'm at so far. I got 2 post buddies in there, and I've started the screws at the top per their instructions. Nice thing is, already making some progress on the fence. It must be a little bit straight now because it wasn't doing that before, so that's a good sign. And then just with those 2 screws, I've got things pretty close to level, so I think this is working. I'm just worried about getting all these other screw holes filled without. I've had a couple drill bits break and a couple screws break, so we'll see how the rest of this goes. Alright, so what's working best is to just get some holes going and gradually start filling in the screws and keep going like that. So that's kind of my process now that I'm going through, but this thing is still level and it's solid. Alright, here's the latest. Screws are still just going in using a socket wrench from a bike repair tool kit that I have. Slowly but surely it's getting done. One casualty with my finger there. No big deal. Still pretty level. Still pretty level. Let's do a little open and shut test here. Opens okay. See if the wind will shut this thing. Not yet. Yep, looking pretty good. Alright, I also put a True Latch anti-sag thing on here. I'm leaving off the center thing because I don't think it's going to work very well with the way this gate is. So with this, just keeps it from sagging a little bit. So now you can see, you can open it real easy. And if I put my self-closing hinges, that should shut. Boom. I think I've solved this problem with products from Amazon. I'll put links out there soon on the video. How satisfying. This thing didn't work at all just a little bit ago. I feel so good about myself now. Alright, peace. Alright everybody, here's the moment of truth. Self-closing hinges are on. Looks good. Let's do another one. Alright, job done. Hey guys, well, one nice thing I did to the gates just to make them close effectively is I had a couple screws here, like these old ones were rusted out here, so the self-closing hinges weren't really getting enough strength on there. So I put one at the top and then there was one at the bottom that was bad. And all I did was drill all the way through the board here and then put a washer and a nut on each side. So now this closes much more effectively and actually probably will reduce the tension a little bit because it closes kind of hard. That's it. You can take an old wooden gate and make it self-closing.